Is a thin horizontal line appearing at the top of your display? Let's fix it in 1 minute. First, power off and unplug the monitor or laptop to work safely. Check the external video cable, HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA. Unplug and firmly reseat both ends. Swap in a different cable or try another input port to isolate the issue. Also test the screen with another computer or device to confirm whether the monitor itself is at fault. If the line persists, it's time to check internal connectors inside the bezel. Locate the LVDS or EDP ribbon cable and gently unplug its latch to inspect the connector. Clean any debris, check for bent pins or corrosion, then carefully reseat the connector with even pressure. If the ribbon or connector is damaged, replace it with a verified replacement cable before reassembling. Reattach the bezel, reconnect power and video, then power the display on for a before and after check. If the horizontal line is gone, the fix worked. If it remains, the panel or T-con board likely needs professional repair or replacement. Quick recap: power cycle, swap cables, reseat or replace connectors, test with another device, and contact a certified repair service if needed. Subscribe for more quick display fixes and download the step checklist link below.